See, we are having print function here. Whenever we are writing anything, whenever we are typing anything, and we want its print out to become with us. Okay, so we will give the command for printing. Let's take an example. Let's see what is print function states that the print function can be used in the interactive mode as well as in the script mode. You can use in both the modes. You can use print function in both the mode, in interactive mode also and in the script mode also. It is used to display the user defined messages on the screen. What is user defined messages? It means that whatever the user is typing, whatever the user is expecting, it gives you that messages on your screen. Okay, for example, let's take an example of print function. I am writing on my screen, this is a print function. Fine, I'm writing on my screen, this is my statement, this is a print function. Okay, now what I am going to write is, I will put arrow. Okay, I will put arrow and then I will write print. When I will write print, it will give me the printing result. It will give me the result on my screen. It will show me the result on my screen. जब भी मैं print command दूंगी वो मुझे screen पे result देगा. Okay, जब मैं command दे दूंगी print की तो मेरा जो result आएगा वो screen पर आएगा as well as I will get its print out on my paper if the printer is attached. अगर printer attached होगा तो. Okay, is it clear? Brahmi, you want to say something?
Ma'am, your sound is not clear.
Is my sound is not clear to any one of you?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Fine. So there are many parameters or arguments that can be passed in the print function. You can give so many parameters, you can give so many another arguments also in the print function. For example, we can use separators with print. Separators are like comma, then new line, and then tab. When you will put comma, it will separate, it will give a space. The print to print the next value after a space means if you are applying comma there, it will print the next value. What is written after the comma, it will give you the print of that particular thing. Suppose I am writing today is Saturday, then comma, it is my off. Okay, so the result will be what I will be getting on the print, that is it is my off. I have put it comma after today is Saturday. Do you understand that? Okay.
Ma'am, please repeat
Sorry?
this again. Ma'am, please repeat this again. Ma'am, please explain this topic once
See,
again.
these are the separators. Separators means which separate the line. Okay, जो lines को separate कर देते हैं, that is the separator. Okay, so we have one of the separator is comma. If I am putting comma, then it will give a pause. Okay, comma stand for pause. तो मैं जब comma लगाती हूँ तो वो pause करेगा. It will give me a pause. एंड वो रुकेगा और उसके बाद जो कॉमा के बाद जो मैं लाइन लिखूंगी, जो भी मैं स्टेटमेंट लिखूंगी, वॉट एवर द स्टेटमेंट आई एम राइटिंग आफ्टर कॉमा, इट विल गिव मी द प्रिंट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट. ओके, मुझे प्रिंट जो आएगा मेरे पास वो कॉमा के बाद वाले स्टेटमेंट का प्रिंट आएगा इफ आई एम अप्लाइंग कॉमा. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम्स द न्यू लाइन. नाउ if I am applying the new line का जो आपका sign होता है, that is slash and n. That stands for new line. If you are writing any sentence, any statement, and you are putting after that statement you are putting slash n, then it will come into new line. It will go into new line, and whatever the sentence you will write in new line, it will give you the print of that particular sentence. ओके, लाइक इन कॉमा, हमने कॉमा के बाद वाला सेंटेंस का प्रिंट दिया था. उसके बाद अगर मैं न्यू लाइन अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, न्यू लाइन का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, वो लगा रही हूँ, तो मेरे को जो न्यू लाइन में जो सेंटेंस में लिखूंगी, इट विल गिव मी द रिजल्ट फॉर दैट सेंटेंस. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
Now tab. Tab means one tab is equal to 5 spaces. You give space, so one tab is equal to 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One tab is equal to 5 space, means 5 times space. So if I am applying tab here, अगर मैं tab apply कर रही हूँ, then what it will give? It will be giving me the result. It will be giving me the printout after one tab, yani after 5 spaces. Okay. Now, what do you understand by IDLE?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. What do you understand by IDLE? The IDLE is an integrated development for editing and running Python commands. Now, IDLE is integrated development for editing and running Python commands. You can note down its full form. IDLE stands for Integrated Development Environment for editing and running Python commands.